Hello, welcome to this session. We are dealing with modern auxiliaries. Today we shall deal with must and ought to. When we have to use must and ought to. First we will discuss about must when we have to use. Okay, must is used to express strong commands, strong instructions and strong advice. You see the example: strong instructions, strong advice and commands. You see these examples, please. Number one, you must take medicines in time. You must take medicines in time. Second example, you must be back by 11 o'clock. Third example, you must do as you are told. Fourth example, students must answer all the questions. If you see these examples, it represents strong commands, advice and instructions. Next, must is used for strong determination and responsibility. You see here, if you see this example, I must go. First example. Second example, I must be honest. I must be honest. Third example, we must respect our elders. Fourth example, you must obey your parents. If you see all these examples, what you can learn is that here it shows a strong determination and responsibility. Another thing is that when we use must, it shows the intensity. So to show the intensity, we use must rather than should. Write down. For strong possibility and conclusion, we must use must rather than should. Once again, I repeat, for strong possibility and conclusion, we use must rather than should. You see this example? You see the examples here. He must be sleeping there. Strong possibility is there. She must be 40 years old. Third example, he must be a thief. Fourth example, there must be a mistake there. I repeat once again, there must be a mistake there. If you see all these examples, what you observe is strong possibility or conclusion. Write down. The next topic is ought to, when we have to use. It is used to express moral obligations. If you see these examples, you can understand this. Number one, what is the example? First one, please. We ought to help the poor. Second example, you ought to be polite to your teachers. Number three, we ought to help our neighbors. Number four, people ought not to take bribes. If you see all these examples, it expresses moral obligations. So, ought to be used for moral obligations. It is used to express possibilities. It is used to express possibilities. If you see these examples, you can understand better. Number one, they ought to be here by now. Second example, Mohan ought to win the race. So if you see this example, it expresses what you call possibilities. Right. Ought to is also used to express logical necessity. Once again, ought to is also used to express logical necessities. We shall go through these examples. Number one, you ought to start at once. Second example, you ought not to be late. Mind you and note that the expressions what we have used for that is moral obligations, possibilities or logical necessities. For all this you can replace ought to by using should. So should can also be used in the place of ought to. So I have ended must and ought to. We shall meet in the next video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.